Okay, when we come to page onload authentication, you have a syntax like how you will deal with that. I'll just tell you what is page onload authentication first, okay? So when you enter some URL, it is asking you for the authentication while loading the page, right? User ID and password. But I cannot inspect this, or it is not an alert, but how do I handle that? Because it is not an alert also, right? JavaScript alert also, it is not. It is called page onload authentication that is asking for user ID and password. How do I pass that user ID and password? Okay, so we'll see that. Okay, now see that we can handle by, for that particular URL, I have like admin:admin. Now for this thing, whichever I'm getting, admin is my user ID, admin is my password. Just user ID and password remains the same. Just if you guys see here, okay, I'll just enter admin, okay, sign in. See, I have come to here. Basic congratulations, you must have the proper credentials, right? I'll just inspect this and keep. Okay, okay, I have this. It is in p tag, right? If I have to write a XPath, p is my HTML tag, contains text, comma, this is my text, right? Okay, this is my text. Okay, one match found. I'll just get a text of this. Okay, so how do I do? Now, while entering the thing, I'll just do one thing. I'll just create one class first. Page onload authentication list. Okay, I'll start with the main method. Done. Now, what I'll do here is, like, I have this URL, right? I have this URL. Okay, driver dot get before using driver, I'll just keep this 4 lines of code as it is first. Okay, so instead of giving this, what I'll do is, whichever my URL was this, right? So I'll pass this URL here. Okay, this is my URL. So my syntax for page onload authentication, what it says is, okay, you should have here username colon http this slash remains same, user ID colon password at the rate whatever is your thing is there, right? You'll pass it here. Okay, how do I do that? So I have something like this, right? What I'll do, admin is my user ID colon, right? Admin colon, and password is also my admin only, admin. Then after that, at the rate, I'll just add this. If you want to enter that, just admin user ID colon password at the rate your domain, whichever is that, just you give that. Okay. Then after that, I'll just do thread dot sleep. I'll wait for some 4 seconds. Okay, just to see. After that, what I'll do is, I have thrown the exception, then I'll come here, I'll find this element and I'll do the get text of that just to verify I have come on the home page properly. So driver dot find element by dot XPath. I'll just pass this XPath. Okay. This I'll store it in one web element. Driver dot find element will return web element, right? Auth homepage, auth home text. Okay, authentication home page text. Okay, I'll just do a get text and see for this web element. Okay, dot get text. Okay, I have done that. Then I'm returning in string variable, string text. Okay, Then I'll print this. System.out.println, just I'll print this. The home page text is okay. I'll just show you now once I run how it takes. Okay, it is launching browser, it is going to that URL. Went right. See, it didn't ask for that pop-up. Automatically with the URL, it takes and it does login for us. Then it has like, congratulations, you must have entered the proper credential. This is all about page onload authentication.